Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Amazon affiliate link for a specific search term. All right, so let's begin with the video. I will show you how you can generate an affiliate link for a specific page on Amazon. So sometimes you don't want to link to a specific product, you want to link to a specific page or search term. So here's how you do that. So what you first need to do is go to Google and just type in Amazon Associates. Now, what I would do here is make sure that you are logged into your Amazon Associates account. So I'm going to generate a link on the Amazon.com program. So I'm going to go to Amazon Associates and just make sure that I am logged in. So as you can see here, I'm logged in. Once I'm logged in, we will then get this site stripe bar up at the top of the page. If you don't see that, go to Amazon Associates, tap on these three lines, and then you need to go to Tools, then click on Site Stripe, and then go to Learn More. And just make sure that it is enabled so you can make sure that it's enabled here. Now what you can do is you can get the link for a specific search term. So let's say I want to just search for road, and we want all of the road products. We can then click Get Link, and this will actually get the link to this very specific page. So you can then copy this short link. If someone was to then click on your link, it will then take them to that Amazon page. And then if they made a purchase, you would earn a commission due to the Amazon cookie period. So that's basically how you can get Amazon affiliate link for a specific search term. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.